I never thought I'd say it, but it's my birthday and we're here at the Railroad Park Resort to stay in that caboose. Oh my gosh, Sam bought me a big boy hat. We've got the caboose in the back. We're gonna show you around, give you a little, not a room tour, but a caboose tour. And show you all around the park in Dunsmuir on this little birthday adventure. Let's go. The cabooses are parked on tracks here. We'll go up the steps and show you our car. Okay, we're gonna come in. Amy's gonna show us around. All right when you first come in, there's a little TV there. Here's, look at this. This is
you have your
some kind of
closet.
little closet in there.
In case you get warm.
Hang stuff up.
Thing for your suitcase.
Look at the lamp. Look at that lamp.
Whoa.
There's train art everywhere.
Little table for your coffee.
Oh yeah, a little coffee maker. Oh, we've got drawers.
Drawers.
You can unpack if you want. Our car has a little extra bed with it. Oh, look, a little fridge. Cute.
Fridge.
Microwave, ice bucket. There's ice down at the check-in shop. You can go up there.
This could be.
What do you know what they call this?
What?
A cupola. Not Francis Ford Coppola. Oh, yes, you can see out. We're in our own little cupola. A couple in a cupola. There's all the other cabooses out in the park. We are caboose number 1.
If you want to have an extra guest come and stay the night, you can have one and you just add them on for $10.
Wow. And here we go into the bathroom at the rear of the caboose, fittingly. It's just it's a bathroom, toilet, sink, and a clawfoot tub. Very good. That's our caboose, but we're gonna show you around the park too. We're gonna eat at the railroad car. We're gonna have breakfast there, maybe dinner, I don't know. And yeah, we'll show you around the park. When you turn on the TV, they're constantly running train shows. They have their Railroad Park Resort logo up, and there's like a little train. I don't know if it's a news ticker or just facts about trains ticking across the bottom. Everybody's checking into their cabooses here at Castle Crag State Park, and the fall colors have come out. There's where you check in. That's the gift shop in there too. And this is the dining car.
Treasure.
Train guy in here. Oh boy. We got live music here tonight.
Chris Whitler having his morning coffee in his cupola.
How'd you sleep?
Good.
Coffee in the cupola.
Tell me about the cupola. What's it for?
Well, this was for the trainmen. There was a fireman and a brakeman, I think. They're supposed to sit up here and watch down the line for any fires the train might cause along the track. And they'd signal the front to stop the train so they could put the fire out. And they work the brake back here too.
I never knew that.
And look what's on TV this morning. It is a bright, beautiful fall morning here at the Dunsmuir Park. It is just beautiful out here, but we're gonna check out. The pool is closed for the season for obvious reasons, but they got the hot tub going. Let's talk a little bit about dinner. We got the Brussels sprouts appetizer. How'd you like the Brussels sprouts?
Those were delicious.
They were good.
On point Brussels sprouts.
Bacon and egg on top of Brussels sprouts
Yeah.
with honey.
I didn't understand the egg on top, but I think people like to put eggs on top of everything now.
How was your butternut squash ravioli?
A little too sweet. Pretty good.
It was good.
And a little oily. I didn't like that.
The cob was delicious.
Yeah, that was a good cob.
Even though I almost choked on a piece of arugula.
I almost had to give you the Heimlich. One last thing. They knew it was your birthday, so they brought you out a beautiful, luxurious, large piece of chocolate cake. And
so
that was
good.
the best thing we had all night.
Now we're gonna go have some breakfast. Hopefully no Heimlichs. That's our caboose. The Eerie 777. Oh, like Striper. Also, it's yellow and black. They have a little helpful book in your caboose that shows you all the trails that are nearby and different attractions. There's some waterfalls. We're not gonna get to do all this stuff, but there's meat on the bone for us to maybe come back and explore a little. It's time to check out. But there's more to check out here at the train park. So we're sticking around. Gonna get some breakfast. Well, Amy, it's time to say goodbye to our caboose. There's lots of train equipment around. Fun places to get pics. This place is so cool. What are you gonna get for breakfast?
Oh, in between pancakes?
We all know you're gonna get the Eggs
and
Benedict.
Eggs Benedict.
We were so hungry I didn't even show you our food. Amy got the Benedict. It's gone. Almost all gone. And we got pancakes. So we're sharing the Benedict and the pancakes. What do you think of the Benedict?
It's good. It's like flavorful. It's got some buttery, salty flavor in
Home fries are Cajun-y, spiced. And we haven't cracked into these pancakes yet. We'll tell you how it is. Got some bacon, nice and thick. Excellent diner. Contrary to what many may think, I only like a tiny little bit of syrup. I don't like a lot. Let's taste this pancake. It's just what you want. Fluffy.
Contrary to popular belief, syrup me up.
You like a lot of syrup.
And a little bite of the elf inside of us all.
That breakfast hit the spot. We're gonna walk around the property, see what there is to see, and head out. Toot toot. For railroad buffs, history buffs, there are a lot of antique train equipment just laying around. And you cannot beat that view. Even the lampposts are railroad things. There's a little babbling brook that runs through the park. And this is what started it all, this little pond. I forget what it's called, but the couple that built this place acquired this property first. This was an old swimming hole in the area. And they got this pond and the property around it and started putting trains in. In 1968, they got the property and they started with the dining car where we had breakfast. It was the very first disco, supposedly, in Northern California. They had a bar in the train car. And it expanded into a restaurant. Then they started putting in the cabooses for people to stay in. You can see the train cars through the trees over there, and we're finally getting our fall colors here in California, here in early November. Oh, would you look at that? The current owners have had this place since 2017. They're fixing up the cabooses, making this place really nice. It was probably really nice before. I didn't come here then. Look at this old thing. I have no idea what this is. Do you know what this is? You could leave a comment. It looks like maybe it's some kind of a snow plow deal. I don't know. That is old. Wow. There's a fire pit there. Picnic tables. Each of the cabooses has a little, some of them have like little seats outdoors. Ours had a table and chairs. Some of them have patios. All the way to California on the edge of Topeka and the Santa Fe. I think it's so neat how each caboose is not resting just on its wheels or on the ground. They have a little section of track for everyone. Up here at the top of the park looks like the tent campgrounds. Also, there's RV parking over there. There's a little playground over here for the kids. They have a few cabins you can rent. They kind of look like little station houses. Yeah, little
There's
cabins.
I think a double or a queen here, and then bathroom, and then another full-size bed.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 cabins you can rent. We'll exit here through the gift shop. Yeah, kind of looks like a little bit of a train station platform as you go in. They've got yard games out here for patrons to enjoy. This is the newest edition. It's been a couple of years since they put it in, but this fountain train sculpture is really neat. Sometimes the trains are going around, like that little coal car there coming off the mountain. I learned recently at the Colfax Railroad days that this size and type of train cars are called garden cars. A lot of people, we're going to try to find some garden cars around us, but people that make railroads in their gardens. It's a whole thing. And the centerpiece here in the park is this 1926 Willamette locomotive. It's a thing of beauty. It's big, and you can get up in it.
There he goes, living his dream.
Come on up, Mama. Don't fall.
Whoa!
It's cool up here.
I was not made for these rails.
Nifty, neat. You can turn the things, and here we are. All in all, a great stay. What do you think, Aim?
I'd do it again.
Yeah?
I wish we had known about this when the kids were younger.
Yeah.
They would have loved it.
Yes.
Bring your kids.
Bring your kids, for sure. The food was good. Excellent. Of course, you're out here kind of in the middle of nowhere, so you expect to pay, a little more for stuff. Hospitality is great. They're very friendly.
Yeah.
Railroad Park Resort. A+.
Recommend. I
A+.
would recommend.
Well, we've showed you the dining car, we've showed you the park, we even showed you our caboose. And now, the only thing left to do is show the cats.